In today's video, we are going to show you how to share an Edpuzzle video with another teacher, which is perfect for collaboration or co-teaching. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of your dashboard panel and click the My Content. Now, select the video that you want to share. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it. And inside the video page, look for the share or copy link option, which can be found on the top right corner. There is the share preview. I want you to click on it. And as you can see, you have the ability to share a preview of the video with colleagues. And just click the copy link. Now, you have more options here on the top right corner. All right. If you wanted to make sure that the link should be only viewed by your co-teacher and not other facilitator or principal, you might want to set the video into private. That means only those people with enough permission can view or access the video link that you have shared. All right? Again, if you wanted to revert it back, just click the public again. And as you can see, copy that link again to your co-teacher or your colleague. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to share an Edpuzzle video or link with another teacher. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.